Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. My name is Carlos and you are on Digital Marketpreneur, and in this channel we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And in the brand new year, we have a brand new mindset, but do we have a plan? Also notice that a little bit of changes are going on in my channel. Eventually I'll come up with something different for my intro, but the old intro, it's gonna be part of my video introduction for some of you that are brand new to my channel, and basically tells the story of how I stumble upon affiliate marketing. And sometimes you need change, and with change you are experimenting different things, because in your business you always want to try different things because you want to get better at what you do. So this video is the first one of the year 2020, and I want to talk to you about the plan for affiliate marketing for beginners, because oftentimes we jump into these businesses, we don't have a plan, and the problem is confusion comes. And when you're confused and you're all over the place, you don't know where to start. You don't know whether you want to do content, whether you should concentrate on putting your offers out there, and it becomes a struggle every single day that you don't know what you do, but you don't know what's the next step. And I think the most important thing, especially when you're starting affiliate marketing, and if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, if you don't know what it is, affiliate marketing is nothing more that people get paid a commission when you refer someone to that product, and you get an affiliate link that you can put in your website, or you can use any social media, and you will tell people why do they need the product, why the product will be a good fit for them. And if they purchase through your link, you get commissions, they get the sale, and we're all happy, right? But sometimes it's not as easy as it looks. So the plan for the year, and I'm gonna tell you this is not just because it's a new start of the year. This can work the moment you decide you want to start affiliate marketing, okay? And there's a key point on this business journey. It's called research. And a lot of people just jump in it without really having done any research on the marketplace. And that's why this plan is gonna be for especially those beginners that say, I don't know where to start. Also, as you know, I'm coming out with my course. I'm working on it as we speak. I'm trying to put things together. I just wanna make it very efficient with your time. You know, there's no promises that you're gonna make any sales, but my promise to you is you will get out of that confusion stage, which I have been for the past 3 years, where I learned one thing and then another, and I'm like, well, what am I gonna go next? Okay, so the new year, it's 2020. Now, companies and big companies split their year in quarterly goals, okay? So you're gonna create goals, and this is basically a learning experience, right? And especially if you're a complete beginner in affiliate marketing. So as you know, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and these are your months of the year, okay? So you gotta have this, and this is your first quarter, right? This is January, February, March, and this becomes your quarter, okay? What the goal of the first quarter is research, okay? Because in this month, and you know, the month is divided by weeks, by days, by hours, by minutes. How you maximize that time is important to get, especially when you're getting started with affiliate marketing, because you want to use every single time, every single chance to the fullest, because once you get this strategy down, every single time you create a piece of content, it's not a wasted time. But the problem is when you're a beginner, that's where you struggle, and then you spend amount of hours trying to learn new things, and then you jump from one to the other, and you're not accomplishing anything. And if last year that was your problem, this year you gotta change that. That's why I want to give you a plan that is gonna help you. So the first month, especially, you have 4 weeks in the month. So those 4 weeks should be devoted to what niche you are going to go in, okay? And the important thing is you have to know who your customer is gonna be, okay? So that first month, you gotta go and research some of the niches that you're interested in, okay? You gotta do research, okay? So the first quarter is gonna be research, okay? And the first month should be what niche I wanna get in, what are offers, what other guys are doing. So the second month of that quarter, you are gonna subscribe to the top guys on that niche that you picked, okay? So you're gonna subscribe to their Instagram if that's what you wanna do. You gotta go read the blog posts that they're in the internet, or you wanna check every single YouTube video, and then you have 8 weeks of complete research where you understand what exactly these people are doing in their business, okay? The third month, which is another 4 weeks, you are gonna go and start looking at keyword research, okay? And what this does is you are gonna be able to put together a package of content that you can put out there, and it makes it a lot easier because you're not jumping just right into it without really not knowing what to do. People go and get the product, and then you go, well, what kind of content do I need to do? Well, you gotta work it backwards because you get less confused, and you will be able to deliver some of the best content. Sometimes you concentrate on quantity, and it's not so much the quantity but the quality of the content, because you gotta think that you are a customer. So when you're a customer, you're looking for the best content to give you the information that you're looking for. So when you're creating content, you gotta remember that people are gonna be reading this, people are gonna be watching those videos, people are gonna be looking at these things. So if you reverse engineer it, think about what kind of content gets your attention, okay? That's why you're doing keyword research. You're subscribing to these people, and you're picking a niche on the first quarter, so you have an idea of what the other people that are actually having success are doing to find success, okay? So that's your first quarter. Second quarter, you already have all this. You are gonna pick this first month, and then you're gonna pick a platform, okay? Since you've seen where all these gurus or the people that are doing this successful, what platforms are they using the most? I can give you 3, because when you're a beginner, you want people to search for your information. So having a blog, having a YouTube channel, and working on Pinterest or any other search engines, it's the easiest way to have passive income. I'm gonna tell you why. If you do Facebook Lives, if you do Facebook, if you do Instagram, the new kid in the block, you know, TikTok, everything that you put on that platform will be there for a little while and then it's gone. Same thing with Twitter. You want something that's gonna live in the internet for months, weeks, and years to come. So when people are searching for that information, they're gonna find them. So a platform like a blog, okay, then you go YouTube, and then you have Pinterest, for example. There's many others out there, but I'm just giving you the main 3 that you can start with, because once you learn one, moving into another platform becomes a lot easier because you have the concepts, okay? So that's the first thing on the second quarter, okay? So you pick in the platform, and since you already did keyword research, you're gonna take this month and you are going to create the content, okay? So You already know the platform. You can take this whole month. You know, if you put 1 or 2 hours a day on your business, this will be a good map out a strategy for true beginners. I know everybody wants to go in and start making commissions like tomorrow. You want a business that's gonna last a long time? Then listen, do it the right way from the beginning. Otherwise, you guys are gonna struggle. And this year, we gotta change that mindset of, I want to make money tomorrow. Okay, if that's your choice, if that's what you're really looking for, this channel is not for you. And you might as well just go and subscribe to somebody else that's gonna sell you the dream that by tomorrow, if you spend $3,000 on ads, you can make a good commission and you can make a lot of money. But if you don't know how to create an offer, then running ads to a funnel that you don't know how to do an upsell, a downsell, and stuff like that, you're basically just burning your money. So that's the point of the video. Go and take your time. Listen, you gotta create foundations, and I talked about this in other videos. You have to have a strong foundation, and I don't want you to burn yourself out, okay? So you gotta create content, and we'll say that you can create at least 10 to 15 pieces of content, okay? Then in this week, or in this part of the quarter, which is the 3rd month, you already created the content. You gotta add your offers, okay, to whether it's your blogging, your YouTube, your Pinterest, okay? But you can also do this while you're creating the content. If you have that offers and you know what affiliate programs you are subscribed to, because you already did the research over here and you know where you want to go. So this is where it becomes the struggle, because you already put in 6 months of work and you're gonna put that out there and you're probably not seeing the traffic that you thought you were gonna get. You wrote 15 pieces of content, people are not clicking on you on it. This is the quarter where you gonna go and take a look at your content, and then you gotta go back to your notes right here and you gotta see what they were doing or what they are doing that you are not on this content, and start switching a few things. That's why if you do 10 to 15 pieces of content just to start, it will become a lot easier for you to go to that blog post and say, well, I realized that they're doing this on them. Or if you created YouTube videos, you can always go and create 15 other videos. Leave the ones that are already there, okay? Because that's how you can compare yourself from like beginning to where you at after 6 months, okay? It looks like a long road, guys, but I'm telling you, it becomes less confusing, because right here is when you pick the platform and you gotta learn how to do things on that platform, okay? And this quarter right here is where you gotta do those tweaks that you need to do to your content to make it better and more appealing to your customers. And you can reverse engineer certain things because you gotta go back to, you know, your notes. The last quarter, okay, if you're still struggling, you can make more content, but you will see the difference between when you first got started to this point. You will have a better understanding on the platforms and what needs to be done. Like YouTube, you know, YouTube is an algorithm and you need to work the algorithm, like, you know, view time, click-through rate, make sure that your videos are searchable and people are looking for that information. Also, the retention time, you know, I know my videos don't have the retention time that I need to get to 4,000 hours views so I can get monetized. So these are the changes that I'm doing because I started 7 months ago. So I'm going into that phase where, okay, I need to change certain things within my videos so I can have your undivided attention if you can stay with my videos for at least 4 to 5 minutes, okay? So those are the struggles we gotta go through. But if you look at the full year, you know, and every day you're getting better and better and better. But I telling you this right now, this right here is gonna be the key for you guys to succeed, because you know where you want to go, you know who your customer is, and you're seeing, and for full 3 months you're doing the research on the marketplace that you want to put your stuff in, where you know you can take your content and what others are doing, and you can emulate what they're doing, and it becomes a lot easier because they already, you know, open that path for you. They already created stuff that works, content that actually works, and all you gotta do is emulate what they're doing. Never copy, guys, please. I'm telling you this right now. A lot of people like the copy and paste type of thing. I get it, especially when you're a beginner, but are you learning anything? And I think the best way for you guys to do affiliate marketing in 2020, you gotta get your hands dirty. If you don't, then you're really not learning everything, because being a marketer and an affiliate marketer is someone that knows how to get people to purchase from you, okay? Everybody thinks that marketing is just running Facebook ads and that's it. No, you have to do certain things that will create that a specific, what's the word I'm looking for? That's gonna create the buzz. That's gonna have people be interested in the products. So it depends how you come on your videos, how you write those blog posts. That's when I make people, okay, well, you know what? I like the information this person is giving me. I am purchasing from him, because not only the offer is good, but the information is great. So guys, this is a quick, you know, kind of like a roadmap for the new year. Like I said, not because it's January you're gonna say, well, maybe you watch this video somewhere in April, May. Well, it doesn't work for me because I didn't start in January and I don't know what to do. No, make sure when you getting started, you start breaking down the year in quarters, okay? And you start in April, then you got April, May, and June. That's your 3 months, and then you break the other 3, and then the other 3, and the other 3. My goal is for July 2021 to be working full-time on my business and have my YouTube channel monetized. Why? Because I started in July of 2019. So I'm giving myself 2 years to work on my business, because as you know, I work a full-time job and I have a family. We also have a baby in the way, and you know, I don't have all the time to work on my business as much as I wanted to, but I take advantage every single moment that I have. 1 hour, 2 hours a day, maybe 3 if I can squeeze 3 hours, but I'm trying to make it this way. I already went through my research phase, the confusion, and then when I got to this point, I did blogging and it worked. It's not my thing. I jump in YouTube and now I'm learning YouTube every single thing. This is where I'm at right now, and I feel that I'm at the point where I'm creating more content, but I need to make some switches. I need to start trying different things, so you know, my click-through rate gets better and also my retention on my videos. So I hope that you guys can use this. I hope that you guys actually put this into action as soon as you see this video and start doing your research. Also be on the lookout, because this first quarter of research is when I'm coming out with my course. And with that being said, if you want to make money with Pinterest, there's a video that's coming right here where I can teach you how you guys can start doing that with Pinterest. As I say, it's a search engine platform. I like it and it works. So go watch that video, guys, if you want to start with a different strategy and put this into place. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Also, if you're brand new to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them.